ॐ विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपं आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरोह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्। सुप्रभातम्. So today, अद्यतन पंचांगम शार्वरीनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे शिशिरऋतौ माघमासे as per Amanta Paddhati. Otherwise for the Uttara Bharat Phalguna Mase which is Purnimante. Krishna Pakshe Pratipattithi. Yesterday was Magha Purnima. In fact, Magha Purnima is also treated as one of the Uttara Bharatiya Santa. Guru Ravidas ji is called. In 15th, 16th century, some say he is a contemporary of Kabir Das, etc. So Guru Ravidas ji's Jayanti was yesterday. Thiravasaraha Purva Phalguni Nakshatram till 11:06 p.m. followed by Uttara Phalguni. Sukarma Yoga till 9:08 a.m. followed by Dhrupti Yoga. Somebody is playing flute. Good. Balava Yoga till 2:05 p.m. followed by Kaulava Yoga followed by Taitala Yoga. Kaulava till 24:48. That is midnight, 48 minutes after midnight. Followed by Taitala Yoga. Sarvebhyah Suprabhatam Swagatam. So we completed the 10th Sarga last session. And we took a slightly challenging target to come to 18th Sarga by Sri Ramanavami in 2 months from last week. So which means, as Prajna said, we have 8 Sargas and 8 sessions. So that means 1 Sarga per session. It's a big challenging one as per the velocity that we were running at. Let's see how it goes. So I said, okay, today, no matter what, if whoever is there, we will start on time. We started a couple minutes late, but at least we started. So today we are starting the 11th Sarga. In the 10th Sarga, we saw that Rishyasringa, his story, how he was brought by Romapadas, Mantris and Sachivas and Ganikas, that they have brought him, pleased him and brought him. As soon as he entered, it is said he entered with rains. And so, looking at the Mahanubhava Rishyasringa who entered with rains, Romapada was damn delighted and he fell on the ground. Bhumigataha, they said. Bhumingataha. So he fell on the ground in reverence for Rishyasringa. Because after several years, just by his appearance or just by his entry, he brought rains. Now that story was told in detail in 10th chapter, which started in the 9th Sarga. In detail, it was told by Sumantra in the 10th chapter. In the 11th chapter, he continues what he heard after Rishyasringa's story, saying that there will be a king called Dasharatha who will also, call Rishyasringa for his son's sake. So that is already told by Sanat Kumara, that as he heard, as Sumanta heard, he is telling or he is teaching that to Dasharatha. So we will continue with that story today. So like always, one by one shloka. Bhuya eva hi Rajendra.
Bhuya eva hi Rajendra.
Shrunu me vachanam hitam.
Shrunu me vachanam hitam.
Yatha sadeva pravaraha.
Yatha sadeva pravaraha.
Kathayamasa buddhiman.
Kathayamasa buddhiman.
After Ekadasha Sargaha, so the 11th Sarga we started. Bhuya eva hi. Again, bhuyaha, again. Bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham. We say, right? Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase. Raghunatha, no, not that. Bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham. We keep saying that. So again and again. Muhur muhuhu. Bhuyo bhuyo. Varam varam. These are various phrases in Sanskritam for time and again, over and over and again to say that. So, bhuyo bhuyo, bhuyaha eva hi Rajendra shrunu me vachanam hitam. I'm telling you following story again. Please listen. Yatha saha deva pravaraha kathayamasa buddhiman. Deva pravaraha, the best of the devas, who is Sanat Kumara, kathayamasa, as he was narrating, as that buddhiman deva pravaraha kathayamasa tad hitam vachanam me shrunu. Evam Sanat Kumarokta katham tat prasange Rishyasringa anayana katham cha sampratikim uktva tad anayanartham maharajenaiva gantavyam iti bodhayitum aneka yugavruddhaha sumantraha punarapi tadartha garbham Sanat Kumaroktam katham aha bhuya eva iti. So the context is set here. The story of how Rishyasringa was brought, having said that, tad anayanartham, in order to bring the same Rishyasringa again, Maharajena eva gantavyam, by the Maharaja Dasharatha himself, he has to go in person to invite, just as Romapada also went. Iti bodhayitum, in order to teach that aneka yugavruddhaha sumantraha. So one big qualifier is given here in the Bhashyam for the Sumantra. Aneka yugavruddhaha. If you read, because as heard by him, when Sanat Kumara was talking once upon a time, he says, Sanat Kumara is such an old, one of the first Brahmamanasa Putra. So if Sumantra has heard him, that means he is aneka yugavruddhaha, such an old person who has been living for several ages. So also Vasishtha, for example. Vasishtha also has been living for several ages. So Sumantraha punarapi tadardha garbham. He was telling the heart of the story, or the root of the basis of the story. Sanat Kumaroktam katham aha bhuya eva iti. Devapravaraha, which means Sanat Kumaraha. He Rajendra, Devapravaraha, which means Devasreshtaha, Saha Sanat Kumaraha, Kathayam Nana Itihasa Varnanavasare, in the context of telling Nana Itihasa Varnanam, several incidental anecdotes as was being narrated by him. In that context, hitam hitakarakam vachanam yatha yena prakarena abravit evam tena prakarenaiva me mattah shrunu. As told by him, exactly verbatim I am telling you. Please listen the same from me, says Sumantra. Next sloka. Ikshvakunam kule jato
इक्ष्वाकूनां कुले जातो
भविष्यति सुधार्मिकः
भविष्यति सुधार्मिकः
राजा दशरथो नाम
राजा दशरथो नाम
श्रीमान् सत्यप्रतिश्रवः.
श्रीमान् सत्यप्रतिश्रवः.
So in that story only that Sanat Kumara was telling, he is already telling about the future. Again, all bhavishyati, future tense verbs will be coming up. Ikshvakunam kule jataha. There will be one person that will be born in the lineage of Ikshvakus. Sudharmikaha, a very dharmika person. Raja Dasharatho nama, with the name of Dasharatha, a Raja. Shriman, well, Shriman, so the best. Satya Pratishavaha, known to be or heard to be Satya Prati. His nishtha is in order to live up to the reality. Satya Pratishavaha, Satya Pratignaha iti. So that is how he is meant to be, and that is why we know, right? I mean, Dasharatha is just to live up to the word that he gave to Kaikeyi. Whatever she has asked, he lives to it. So Satya Pratishrabaha. Angarajena Sakyancha
Angarajena Sakyancha
Tasya Rajnyo Bhavishyati
Tasya Rajnyo Bhavishyati
Kanya Chasya Mahabhaga
Kanya Chasya Mahabhaga
Shanta Nama Bhavishyati.
Shanta Nama Bhavishyati.
So Angarajena Sakyancha Tasya Rajnyaha Bhavishyati. So of Tasya Rajnyaha, of that king Dasharatha, Raja Dasharatha, Angarajena Sakyam Bhavishyati. Friendship will happen with Angaraja. Angaraja, who is Romapada. Angarajena Sakyam Bhavishyati. Kanyacha Asya Mahabhagaha Shanta Nama Bhavishyati. So, of that Raja, Kanya, Shanta, who is a Mahabhaga Nama Bhavishyati. So, he will have a daughter by name Shanta, who is a Mahabhaga, who will be a great lady. She will be born. So now, directly it doesn't say who was it born to and how and all. I mean, it says Kanyacha Asya. So here, whether to take it as Romapada's daughter or Dasharatha's daughter. In the Bhashyam, like Deeptiji has mentioned, which is picked from the other Puranika, from the other Puranam, it is mentioned. Angeti tasya prasiddhasya rajnyaha Dasharathasya Romapadena sakam sakyam bhavishyati. So that is the first line we heard. Angam swapitaram rajayati tadvat rajate va. So Angam means Angadesham. Swapitaram rajayati. Just as their parents have ruled, so also he rules them. Tena Angarajena asya rajnyaha Dasharathasya Shanta nama kanya bhavishyati. So here in this Purana it is mentioned, Purana as in this Bhashyam mentioned referring some Purana, that Rajya Dasharathasya Shanta nama kanya bhavishyati. So Raja Dasharatha had a daughter by name Shanta, a kanya by name Shanta. Chakarena kanya dvara vamsha praharana iti tasyapi kanya Shanta bhavishyati. So Raja Dasharatha datta Shanta kanyatvena Romapadena grihita iti tasyapi kanya Shanta bhavishyati. So it is said that Dasharatha gave away his daughter in adoption to Romapada, and hence thereafter Shanta is treated as Romapada's daughter. But how she was born to Dasharatha and all, nothing is mentioned directly in Valmiki Ramayana. So as per Valmiki Ramayana, Shanta is Romapada's daughter only. But there are references from other Puranam where they say it is Dasharatha's daughter who was given in adoption to Romapada. Grihita, Romapadena Grihita. She is received by or taken up by Romapada, and so she becomes his daughter, Romapada's daughter iti. Yattu tat sarvanama pradhana paramarshittvamiti niyama virodhat pratyasattinyaya virodhatcha Romapada iti khyata tasmai Dasharatha sakha Shantam swakanyam prayachat Rishyashringa uvaha nama iti Bhagavata virodhacha heyam. So by a little additional details, qualifications are given here about the friendship between Romapada and Dasharatha, that so much so that the daughter once given to Romapada, Dasharatha even forgets that he had that daughter. Some additional qualification there. But no matter what, as of now, we take it as Romapada's daughter only. Putrastvangasya rajnastu. Somebody else?
Putrastvangasya rajnastu
Romapada iti shrutah.
Romapada iti shrutah
Angarajam Dasharatho.
Angarajam Dasharatho
Gamishyati mahayashah.
Gamishyati mahayashah.
So, putraha tu Angasya Rajnyaha to Romapada iti shrutaha. So, to the king of the Angaraja, there is a son born by name Romapada iti shrutaha. Angarajam Dasharatha Gamishyati Mahayashah. So Mahayashah Dasharatha Angarajam Gamishyati. He goes to meet him once. So Romapada Kasya Vamshaha iti Akankshayamaha Putra iti. So Romapada belongs to which dynasty can be derived from Putra iti, from this shloka. Angasya Anga Sanyasya Rajnyaha Putraha iti Shrutaha Khyataha. So, of the Anga Raja's son. So, he is from that lineage. Mahayashaha Dasharatha Tam Angarajam Romapadam Gamishyati. So, he goes to meet him. Angarajena Pujitascha Bhavishyati. Ekastu Shabdaha Evarthaha. Once said tu, where is that tu? Rajyaha tu. That tu there means eva arthaha. So a little bit of Sanskrit elaboration. So essentially that Dasharatha happens to go and meet Romapada. Is being would happen to go meet Romapada. Is told in that shloka. Anapatyosmi dharmatman
Anapatyo Slarmatman
Shanta bharta mama kratum
Shanta Bharta Mama Krutum
ahare tatvaya jnaptaha
Ahare Tvaya Jnaptaha
ahare tatvaya jnaptaha
Ahare Thatvaya Jnaptaha
santanartham kulasya cha.
Santanartam Kulasya Cha.
So when he goes to meet Romapada, what was the agenda of the meeting? Anapatyaha asmi dharmatman. Hey dharmatman. He's talking to Romapada. So he's addressing Romapada as Hey dharmatman. Anapatyaha asmi. I am without children. I don't have any children. Apatyam means children. Napunsakalinge apatyam. Anapatyam. Anapatyaha. Apatyam yasya nasti saha anapatyah. So anapatyah asmi. I am childless. Shanta bharta mama kratum ahareta. May the husband of Shantayah bharta, Shanta bharta, mama kratum. I am going to whichever kratu, yajna that I am going to perform. May Shanta's bharta ahareta, may he come and grace our kratu. Iti tat tvaya ajnaptaha. May he be ordered by you, or may he be instructed by you. May Shanta's bharta, who is Rishishringa, be sort of guided, ordered, instructed by you, that he come and grace my kratu. Santanartham kulasya cha. For my kula, for my family, santanartham, for the sake of children. Iti. Shrutva rajño tadvakyam
Shrutva rajño tatah vakyam
manasa savichintya cha
manasa savichintya cha
pradasyate putravantam
pradasyate putravantam
shanta bhartaramatmavan
Shanta atmavan.
So Shrutva, having heard that prayer of Dasharatha, that request of Dasharatha, Shrutva Rajnyaha, of the king Dasharatha, Atha Tadvakyam. So Atha, thus Rajnyaha Tadvakyam Shrutva, having heard that request or that sentence of Raja Dasharatha, that speech of Raja Dasharatha, Manasa vichintya cha, having now contemplated and thought about it, should we or not, etc. Vichintya cha. Putravantam shanta bhartaram saha atmavan pradasyate. Putravantam, that's a very good point here. Jata putrakam chakarena dasyami iti nischitya putravantam jata putrakam. So one putravantam is here, putravan yahasti saha putravantam. So that means, see, for Raja Dasharatha, in fact, it's a good style of seeing it here. He is in a way treated as son. So putravan, unto him is putravantam. Unto that, unto Rishishringa putravantam, Shanta bhartaram, one who is also husband of Shanta, atmavan saha Romapadaha pradasyate, he gives him. Next shloka. Pratigrihya cha tat vipram
प्रतिगृह्य च तद्विप्रं
स
तविप्रं
राजा विगतज्वरः
स राजा विगतज्वरः
आहरिष्यति तं यज्ञम्
आहरिष्यति तं यज्ञं
प्रहृष्टेनान्तरात्मना
प्रहृष्टेनान्तरात्मना
भवितेति. सो निश्चयेन विगतः निवृत्तः ज्वरः. So vigatajvaraha, vitaragaha, vitajvaraha, vigatajvaraha, which means that anxiety, having lost the anxiety, because when Dasharatha would go and request Romapada, when you ask somebody for something, you're always anxious whether he would accept or not, however good friend or close friend he is. So now that Romapada has accepted, so Vigatajvaraha Saha Raja Tam Vipram Pratigrihycha, having received that Vipra Rishyasringa, Prahushtena, with Prahushtaha, Hrushtaha, delight, with lot of delight and happiness. So Prahushtena Antaratmana, with a very delighted Antaratma, with a very delighted heart and soul, Tam Vipram Yajnam Aharishyati, means he takes him to the Yajna. Aharishyati, Sadhaishyati, means he successfully carries him to grace the Yajna. Next sloka. Tam cha raja dasharatho yashtu kamah kritanjalihi
यष्टुकामः कृताञ्जलि
ऋष्यशृङ्गं द्विजश्रेष्ठं
ऋष्यशृङ्गं द्विजश्रेष्ठं
वरयिष्यति धर्मवित्
वरिष्यति धर्मवित्
यज्ञार्थं प्रसवार्थं च
यज्ञार्थं प्रसवार्थं च
स्वर्गार्थं च जनेश्वरः.
स्वर्गार्थं च जनेश्वरः.
So tam ऋष्यशृङ्गं tam द्विजश्रेष्ठं ऋष्यशृङ्गं राजा दशरथः यष्टुकामः राजा दशरथः धर्मवित् वरयिष्यति यज्ञार्थं प्रसवार्थं च स्वर्गार्थं च जनेश्वरः. So aharishyati, he was said, right? He was graced to, he was asked to grace the yajna. How is being a little bit more narrated here. Yashaskamaha means yashtukamaha, which means one who wants to do the yajna. Yashtihi yajna. Yashtim kartum kamaha yasya saha yashtukamaha. One who is desirous or one who is wanting to do the yajna is yashtukamaha. Yashtukamaha kritanjalihi, in the Anjali Mudra, which is a very submissive devotional gesture to invite somebody. So Kritanjalihi Yashtukamaha Dasharathaha, Raja Dasharathaha, Tam Rishyasringam Dvijasreshtham, the noblest of all the Dvijas, noblest of all the learned people, unto him, Varay Dharmavit, as per Dharma, Varayishyati, means he sort of assigns him, or he puts him, extols him, he puts him in that elevated role. Yajnartham, Prasavartham, Swargartham cha, for the three purposes. One is to carry on the yajna, the other one is Prasavartham, for the pregnancy and the delivery of children, and Swargartham, of course, for the punya, so that he would get Dasharatha, Swarga. Because we all know, right, most of the yajnas are for Svargartham also they used to do, so that they get that punya in order to live in Swarga also for a while. Labhate cha satam kamam.
लभते च सतं कामं
Vipramukhyat vishampatihi.
विप्रमुख्याद्विषां पतिः.
So this is actually another half of the previous. In the previous sloka, we took 1.5 sloka because that's how the Anvaya makes. And so we did the other half of that sloka is Labhate cha saha tam kamam vipramukhyat vishampatihi. Vishampatihi. Vishampatihi means Raja. Raja Dasharatha. Vipramukhyat means Viprasreshthat, Dvijasreshthat. Panchami Bhakti. So from that Rishyasanga, Labhate tam kamam. So whatever was his kama, which is Prasavartham, Yajnartham, Sutartham, Svargartham, that kamam labhate, he obtains. Putraschasya bhavishyanti.
Visha means what? Direct, right?
Vishampatihi, Visha. Visha is Visha is Raja, and because to enter is Visha. One who is able to enter the kingdom, or one who is able to enter that is Visha. Of them, Vishampatihi becomes Raja. So Visha is all the people who are living, all the citizens in a way.
Vishati. Oh, Vishati.
Vishati. Vishati, those who enter and live there are citizens. Their pati, Vishampatihi. Vishas, Vishampatihi. Lord of the citizens or Lord of the living people is essentially who is the king there. Putras chasya. Did we say this sloka? Did anyone say this? No. Putras chasya bhavishyanti.
Putrashtasya bhavishyanti.
Chatvaro mita vikramaha.
Chatvaro mita vikramaha.
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 Vamsha pratishthanakara.
Vamsha pratishthanakara.
Sarvalokeshu vishrutaha.
Sarvalokeshu vishrutaha.
Everybody repeat it. Even though one is following me, rest all also repeat it, muted or in your at least lip syncing, whatever. Right? Idea is everybody should read these slokas. Asya putrascha chatvaraha amita vikramaha bhavishyanti. So asya means of that Raja. Chatvaraha, 4. Amita vikramaha. Mita is limited. Amita, unlimited. Vikramaha, unlimited valor. 4 sons he would have of unlimited valor. Amita vikramaha. And Vamsha pratishthanakaraha. One who would keep up. Pratishthanakaraha. Pratishtanam kurvanti ye te pratishthanakaraha. Vamshasya pratishtanam, of their dynasty, of their lineage, of their family name, these 4 are going to keep up their repute, keep up their fame. So Vamsha pratishthanakaraha sarva lokeshu vishrutaha, visheshena shrutaha, well heard, significantly heard of in all the worlds, which means very famous. They would become very famous children who would keep up the family name and are with unlimited valor, and 4 such sons would be born to that Raja. All future tests, Sanat Kumara is telling, as Sumantra heard, that verbatim Sumantra is telling to Dasharatha. Evam sadeva pravaraha.
एवं सदेव प्रवरः
पूर्वं कथितवान् कथाम्
पूर्वं कथितवान् कथाम्
सनत्कुमारो भगवान्
सनत्कुमारो भगवान्
पुरा देवयुगे प्रभुः.
पुरा देवयुगे प्रभुः.
So, एवं सः देवप्रवरः पूर्वं कथां कथितवान्. Who is that देवप्रवरः? सनत्कुमारः. भगवान् पुरा देवयुगे प्रभुः. In that Devayuga, which means Satya Yuga, in the beginning of the times, that Sanat Kumara, who is a Bhagavan, and Deva Pravaraha, thus he has narrated this story. There, Sanat Kumara, Sumantra, there, that's how he verbatim concludes. Now he is instructing Dasharatha as per that story that I have heard. So it is talking about you. That means there is something expected of you now to do it. Sattvam Purusha Shardula.
Sattvam Purusha Shardula.
Tamanayasu Satkritam.
Tamanayasu Satkritam.
Swayameva cha Rajendra.
Swayameva cha Rajendra.
Gatva Sabalavahanaha.
Gatva Sabalavahanaha.
So, even as I heard all this, so Saha Rajendra, hey Rajendra, Saha Tvam, such you, as I have heard about you, such you, Sahatvam means such you, Vaisetum, Sattvam Purusha Shardula. Shardula, tiger. Purusha Shardula, tiger of all men. You know, such a great guy you are. So, Sattvam Purusha Shardula, Rajendra, Sabala Vahanaha, along with Bala Vahanaha, along with your chariots, you know, vehicles, and Bala, along with your forces. Shivaji?
Yeah, I am here. Actually, I would like to recite.
Okay. Next sloka you can recite. Next sloka you can recite.
Sure.
So, Sabalavahanaha, along with Balavahana Sahitaha, Sabalavahanaha. So, along with your forces and, you know, chariots and vehicles, Gatva, by going, Tam Anaya, bring him, Tam is him, bring him, whom? Rishyasringam, Susat Kritam, you know, having honored him well honored, well felicitated, bring him. Sumantasya vacha shrutva.
Sumantasya vacha shrutva.
Krishto dasharatho bhavat.
Krishto dasharatho bhavat.
Anumanya vasishtam cha.
Anumanya vasishtam cha.
Suta vakyam nishamya cha.
Suta vakyam nishamya cha.
Vasishthena abhyanujñato.
Vasishthena abhyanujñato.
Raja sampurna manasaha.
Raja sampurna manasaha.
Santah purah sahamatyaha.
Santah purah sahamatyaha.
Prayayau yatra sadvijaha.
Prayayau yatra sadvijaha.
So 2 slokas almost we took as Anvayam. In this, in some of the, there is a Patartha, there is an optionally this one that I put in brackets there, braces there. Vasishthena abhyanujñataha Raja Sampurna Manasaha is not there in some of the versions. But because it is there in another version, we took that part also. So Sumantasya vacha shrutva, having heard, see, Gatva, Shrutva, by now you are slowly picking these patterns of Sanskritam, right? Twa, wherever you hear twa, means having done that verb. Karke, sunke, shrutva, sunke, gatva, jaake, pathitva, padhke. In Hindi, it's very easy to say it in Hindi. If you have to say it in English, having read, having heard, having gone, you're a continuation of the previous action into the next action. Sumantasya vachaha shrutva. So far Sumanta has told verbatim the story. Having heard that, Raja Dasharatha Hrishtaha abhavat. Dasharatha Hrishtaha. Prahushtena, as it was said before. Likewise, Hrishtaha, very hearty, happy. He has become happy. At the same time, Anumanya Vasishthancha. Because Vasishtha is their Kulaguru, even though Sumanta said this story and all, you should still give that respect of, in fact, even though the story was told by Sumanta and also instructed in a way by Sumanta, because he says, Sattvam Purusha Shardula Rajendra Sabalavahana Gatva Susatkritam Tam Anaya. He has already instructed in the previous sloka, Sumanta. In spite of that, to give that due respect to their Kulaguru Vasishtha, Anumanya Vasishtham cha means Anumanam, means by Manam is respect. Anumanya, by giving whatever the due respects of to Vasishtha also, meaning, hey, this is how I came to know Vasishtha ji, Guruji, or I would like to take your, consultation or your opinion also. Obviously, Vasishtha also will say, go ahead. So, Anumanya Vasishtham cha, Sutavakyam Nishamya cha, Nishamya, having listened. Nishamya means having heard. Having heard Sutavakyam, Suta Sumanta, who is both Mantri and Suta for Dasharatha. Sutavakyam Nishamya cha.
Bhogaji, Anumanam is also deduction, right?
Anumanam is also used in deduction, in suspicion. But here Manam is also respect, right? Manyavar, we say, right?
Okay.
So in that meaning, here it is Anumanya. Means, see, Anyatha Mayasthite Katham Ayam Anyam Ahvayati iti Vasishtaha Kupyeta. Anyatha, see, the way Bhashyam is, and that's why I put it in bold. So, Anumanya Kruta Anumatikam Kritva. Anumati. See, Manam, Matihi, these are all related words with different pratyayas. So, Anumatim Kruta Anumatikam Kritva. Having been given the permission, becoming one who is given the permission is Anumanya, which means Kruta Anumatikam Kritva. Why? The Bhashikara is saying, Anyatha, if he directly goes as per Sumanta's instruction, Anyatha, Mayi, in me, Mayi Sthite, Katham Ayam Anyam Ahvayati iti Vasishtaha Kupyeta. I am the Kulaguru here. I am supposed to, guide, conduct all your yajnas. How can you directly go and invite somebody called Rishishringa just because you heard it from Sumanta or somebody like that? Evam Kupyeta. Kupyeta means may he or maybe he might, feel, get upset. All of that is hidden. That feeling is hidden in that Anumanya Vakyam. And hence, he goes to seek his permission. Also, as Shivaji has asked now, so with this Anumanam, with this, bit, Anumanam is what? With this bit doubt, he also goes and approaches Vasishta for his permission. So in that meaning also you can take. But generally here in normal meaning is, because Vasishta is their Kulaguru, he would go and seek his permission. So Anumanya Vasishtham cha Sutavakyam Nishamya cha Vasishthena Abhyanugnataha, because he went to seek his permission. Abhi Anugnataha, he was given, he is ordered now, or he is given the permission. Vasishthena Abhyanugnataha Raja Sampurna Manasaha, with completely fulfilled heart, mind. Saha Antahpuraha Santahpuraha Sahamatyaha Prayayau Yatra Sadvijaha, Yatra Saha Dvijaha Rishyasangaha Asti Tatra Sa Antahpuraha Saha Amatyaha. Along with Amatya, along with Antahpuraha. Antahpuraha is with all his people inside his palace, which means his wives, his ministers, his secretaries, along with his entire cabinet, we should say. So Saha Antahpuraha Sahamatyaha Prayayau. Yayau Gatavan. Prayayau went very carefully with all of them. Vanani Saritaschaiva Vyatikramya Shanai Shanaihi
Vitikramya Shanai Shanai
Vyatikramya Shanaihi Shanaihi
Vitikramya Shanai Shanai
Abhichakramatam Desham Yatra Vai Munipungavaha.
Yatra Vai Munipungavaha.
So from all the way from Ayodhya to Angadesha, to almost Bihar, Nepal, that side, right? To that Angadesha, Vanani Saritascha Vyatikramya. Atikramya means having crossed, having gone over several forests, several rivers, having crossed them, Shanaihi, because he went with a big family of ministers, Sabalavahanaha, as instructed by Suta, and hence Sa Antahpuraha Saha Amatyaha, with so many people, because he was going, you cannot rush just on a horse, like individually. So Shanaihi, slowly, Abhichakrama, they all have moved, Charati Chakrama, Tam Desham, unto that place, Yatra Vai Munipungavaha, where that Munipungavaha, Rishyashangaha lives in the Angadesha, unto that place, he, along with all of them, slowly and steadily moved and reached there. Went there. Asadyatam Dvijasreshtham.
Asadyam tam dvijashreshtham.
Asadyatam Dvijasreshtham.
Asadyam tam dvijashreshtham.
Asadya only, not asadyam. Asadyatam. Asadyatam Dvijasreshtham.
Asadyatam tam dvijashreshtham.
Romapada Samipagam.
Romapada Samipagam.
Rishiputram Dadarshadau.
Rishiputram Dadarshadau.
Deepyamana Vimanalam.
Deepyamana Vimanalam.
Sorry, Kshamata. Deepamana Mivanalam.
Deepamana Mivanalam.
Mivanalam. My mistake. Deepyamana Mivanalam.
Deepyamana Mivanalam.
So, Abhichakrama, they all moved. Now, Asadya, having reached. Asadya, having reached. Tam Dvijasreshtham, having reached that best of all the learned wise men. Romapada Samipagam, one who is sitting very nearby Romapada, because Putravantam, they said before. So he is treated as his son, even though he is a son-in-law. Putravantam. So Romapada Samipagam, one who is near by Romapada, he went that close to him. Asadya Rishiputram, Rishishringam, Dadarsha. Dadarsha has seen in past tense. There is one form called lit lakara. Drishtavan, we can say, or apashyat, we can say. But in Paroksha Bhuta Kalam, which is called lit lakara, this Dadarsha, Chakara, Jagama, Papapa, like these come, they with one additional same consonant before. The past tense is also expressed like that. So Dadarsha means Drishtavan, he has seen or he has met him. Dadarsha, how is he? Deepyamanam, he is glowing. Deepa, Deepyamanam, Deepyate, is glowing like lamp or glowing like light. Iva, like. Analam, Anala is fire. Anila is air. Anala is fire. Anila, Anala. Unfortunately for the Arab-based English and all of them, they have only one vowel. That is why they get confused between whether to say E, A, U, everything they get confused. Though they have so many vowels, somehow that they have picked. But with Arab influence, they forgot when to use which vowel. And so sometimes they say A, sometimes they say E, sometimes they say U. For this intermixed. But we should be very careful here. Anilam, Anila, Anil. Anila is air. Anala is fire. So Analam iva deepyamanam, like fire, one who is glowing. That means that bright, with his knowledge, with his yogic practices, one who is so bright. Such Rishiputram, Adau in the beginning, Dadarsha. So when he entered the Sabha of Romapada Samipagam, one who is nearby Romapada, even though he went towards him, he first met the Analam iva deepyamanam Rishiputram Adau Dadarsha. Tato Raja Yathanyayam.
Tato Raja Yathanyayam.
Tato Raja Yathanyayam.
Tato Raja Yathanyayam.
Pujam Chakre Visheshatah.
Pujam Chakre Visheshatah.
Sakhitvattasya Vairagnyah.
Sakhitvattasya Vairagnyah.
Prahrishtenantaratmana.
Prahrishtenantaratmanah. Atmanah.
Atmana.
Yeah.
Antaratmana. Prahrishtena antaratmana. Rajnyah. Tasya Rajnyah. Sakhitvat. Visheshatah. Pujam. Yathanyayam. Tatah Raja Chakre. Yathanyayam, as per the protocols, as per the policies, especially Sakhitvat, because of the friendship, Tasya Rajnyah, of that Raja Dasharatha, of the friendship of the Raja Dasharatha, Prahishtena Antaratmana, with very, jubilant, with very happy heart, Pujam Chakre, he gave all the services of honor unto Raja Dasharatha. Romapadena Chakhyatam.
Romapadena Chakhyatam.
Rishiputraya Dhimate.
Rishiputraya Dhimate.
Sakhyam Sambandhakam Chaiva.
Sakhyam Sambandhakam Chaiva.
Tadatam Pratyapujayat.
Tadatam Pratyapujayat.
Romapadena cha Akhyatam Rishiputraya Dhimate Sakhyam Sambandhakam cha eva tada tam pratyapujayat. So Romapada in turn offers services back to Rishiputraya Dhimate. So Romapada also offers the puja to Rishiputra, Rishyasringa, because Sakhyam Sambandhakam cha, because of Sakhya and Sambandhaka, friendship and relationship. Friendship is understood. What is a relationship? And again, the Bhashyam says because of Shanta as the daughter offered for adaptation. So because of that, sambandhakam, sambandhaha api asti. So because of that, also he has offered the pratipuja, pratyapujayat. In return, you also offer the puja. I think you would have seen I'm trying to run. Today we have only 14 minutes to complete the sarga. So that as Prajna said, one sarga per day, if we can complete, then we'll reach 18th sarga by Sri Ramanavami. And anyway, this is story part, so we can run faster. Evam susatkritastena.
Evam susatkritastena.
Evam susatkritastena.
Evam susatkritastena.
Sahoshitva narashabha.
Sahoshitva narashabha.
Saptashta divasan raja.
Saptashta divasan raja.
Raja namidam abravit.
Raja namidam abravit.
Evam susatkritaha tena. Thus well treated by Tena, means by that Romapada. Narashabha, Rashabha of Naras, bull of men, which means best of the men. Raja Dasharatha, Saha Ushitva, Tena Saha Ushitva. Ushitva, having stayed there, having spent some days there. How many days? Sapta Ashta Divasan, about 7 or 8 days, or 7 and 8 days, which means 15 days, having lived there for a Pakshakala, almost 15 days. This is the style in our scriptures. We don't directly say the number. Saptashta Dinan, 7 and 8, which we also use it for in another way also. We say Sat Din. We mean either 7 or 8. But in our scriptures, in our texts though, if they say Saptashta, likewise when Kaikeyi also asks for Rama for exile, she says Navapanchacha Varshani. She doesn't directly say 14. Navapanchacha, 9 and 5. So likewise here, Saptashta, 7 and 8, which means 15. Panchadasha dinani ushitva rajanam unto Ramapada Raja idam abravit. Dasharatha abravit means he said this. What did he say? Shanta tavasuta rajan. Shanta
tavasuta rajan.
Sahabhartra vishampate.
Sahabhartra vishampate.
Madiyam nagaram yatu.
Madiyam nagaram yatu.
Karyam hi mahadudyatam.
Karyam hi mahadudyatam.
Mahadudyatam. So one point to learn from here is, if you see, for Saptashta Dinani Tena Saha Ushitva. He first came, as soon as he came, first he went and saw Rishyasringa, gave puja to him, then offered puja to Romapada. Romapada in turn offered puja to Dasharatha and Rishyasringa. 15 days he spent time there. Then he says, towards the end, he asks it. I think this is one good lesson of Samparka. How to, do the Samparka. And I've seen this with our Siddheshi. Every time Siddheshi calls me, when he talks, I would think that he has called me casually. He would talk 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes he will talk. वो कैसा है, how is this job, how is ये भारत में ये वो and all. And finally he says, भोगा जी कल आप बैठक में अपेक्षित है. Oh, just to mention that one line, कल आप अपेक्षित है बैठक में, he spends 15 to 20 minutes with me. Then I tell him, अरे, see, you don't have to, if you are in a hurry to call several people, had you said that one line in the beginning also, I will definitely come. But no, he spends so much time. So that's one good Sampark style. And I told Siddesh that in one of the Abhyas works, you should conduct how to do Sampark, because you are very skillful in it. You should tell this. And we see the same thing here also. For 15 days, Dasharatha spends and lives with Romapada, doesn't talk about it. Towards the end, he just mentions one casual line. Tava Suta Shanta Rajan, he Rajan, means hey Romapada, Tava Suta Shanta, your daughter Shanta, Saha Bhartra, along with the Bharta, Vishampate, hey king, hey Rajan, Madiyam Nagaram Yatu, may they, come to Madiyam Nagaram, to my city. Karyam hi mahad udyatam, very big, task we have taken up. So may they come and grace that. Towards the end of the 15th day, he mentions that. So good Sampark lesson from this slokam. So Madiyam Nagaram Yatu Karyam hi mahadudyatam. Tatheti Raja Samshritya.
Tatheti Raja Samshritya.
Gamanam tasya dhimatah.
Gamanam tasya dhimatah.
Uvacha vachanam vipra.
Uvacha vachanam vipraha.
Vipra. Uvacha vachanam vipram. Sorry.
Uvacha vachanam vipram.
Gachatvam sahabharyaya.
Gachatvam sahabharyaya.
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 Yeah, so some Sanskritam also, Bharya, along with her, Bharyaya Saha. Sita, along with her, Sitaya Saha. Ramaha, along with him, Ramena Saha. Or Bharta, that's a Rikaranta Padam. So along with Bharta, Bhartra Saha. Along with Karyakarta, Karyakartra Saha, because that's also a Rikaranta Padam. So there it was Saha Bhartra, here Saha Bharyaya, along with Bharya. Along with Bharya, Saha Bharyaya, Gachatvam, you go, you may go, Gachatvam, you go. Vipram Vachanam Uvacha. So Romapada told this sentence to the Vipra, to Rishyasringa. Sahabharyaya gachatvam, go along with your wife Shanta. Then Tatha iti, Raja Samshrutya, Dhimataha tasya vachanam Samshrutya, Gamanam prati uvacha. So having heard the request of Raja Dasharatha, Romapada having agreed to it, he goes to Rishyasringa and asks and tells him, along with your wife Shanta, please go to Ayodhya. Is what he says. Rishiputraha pratishrutya.
Rishiputraha pratishrutya.
Tathetyaha nrupam tada.
Tadhetyaha nrupam tada.
Sanrupena bhyanugyataha.
Sanrupenabhyanujñātaha.
Prayayau sahabharyaya.
Prayayau sahabharyaya.
Rishiputraha pratishrutya, having heard that, tatha itiyaha nrupam tada. Tada, then Rishiputraha pratishrutya nrupam tatha ityaha. Tatha, as you say, Okay. So okay. Iti Rishiputraha Nrupam Pati Prati means unto the Nrupa. Nrupa is Raja Romapada Pratishtya. Okay, he says. Saha Nrupena Abhignataha, by having been ordered or having been made aware, having been instructed by Raja, Nrupena, along with by Raja, Prayayau Sahabharyaya. So he Prayayau, he left, he went along with his wife. Tavan Yonyanjalim Kritva.
Tavan Yonyanjalim Krutva.
Perfect. Tavan Yonyanjalim Kritva.
Tavan Yonyanjalim Krutva.
Snehat Samslishya Chorasa.
Sneha Samslishya Chorasa.
Nanandatur Dasharatho.
Nanandatur Dasharatho.
Romapadascha Viryavan.
Romapadascha Viryavan.
Tau is they two, Divachanam. Saha Tau Te. So he, those two, and they all. Because in Sanskritam there is a Dvivachanam also. We recognize two number. Tau Anyonya Anjalim Kritva. Both of them having given Anjali to each other. Meaning, अच्छा जी, ठीक है, धन्यवाद, ऐसा, धन्यवाद, फिर मिलेंगे, नमस्ते, अन्योन्य अंजलिम कृत्वा, स्नेहात, with because of friendship, because of that friendly snehat, samslishya is having hugged each other, urasa is chest to chest, samslishya, having hugged each other. Nanandatuhu, Anandam Praptavantaha, Nanandatuhu. We said right before also that litlakara, Dadarsha, Chakara, Papapa, likewise Nananda means Anandam Kritavantaha. But in Divachanam is Nanandatuhu. Nanandatuhu, Dasharatha Romapadascha Viryavan. Viryavan Romapadaha and Dasharatha mutually unto each other, having given the Anjali, having hugged each other with chest to chest, they felt very happy, they obtained happiness. Tataha Suhrudam Aprachya. Somebody.
Sahodaram aprachya.
Tatas Suhrudam aprachya.
Tatas Suhrudam aprachya.
Prasthito Raghunandanaha. Paurebhyah preshayamasa. Dutan vai shighraгаminaha. Tataha, after that, then Tataha Suhrudam aprachya. Suhrud is friend. Suhrudam aprachya. Now having asked him means Ajna leta hu, please permit me now to live, right? We seek leave. So Suhrudam aprachya Raghunandanaha prasthitaha. Raghunandanaha left Angadesha. Raghunandanaha prasthitaha. Paurebhyaha preshayamasa. Unto his city, unto his citizens, unto his people, he sent preshayamasa dutan. He sent the dutas, he sent some messengers. Shighraгаminaha, those who can run, those who can to go very fast, very quickly. I'm running out of battery, 1 second. So he sends messengers quickly to go reach the city before, Dasharatha along with all his parivar and all, before he enters the city, he sends the messengers quickly to go and arrange things, etc. Right? So Shighragamina Dutan Paurebhya Preshayama, Raghunandana Preshayama. So if you see, Raghunandan is also Rama, Raghunandan is also Dasharatha, Raghunandan is also Dilip. In the Raghu dynasty, those who give that delight to Raghu, who is their predecessor, who is one of their ancestors, anybody who gives that delight to them, which means anybody who is in keeping up to the name and fame of Raghu, is a Raghunandana. Of course, mostly used for Rama, but Raghunandana is also used here for Dasharatha. Kriyatam nagaram sarvam.
Kriyatam nagaram sarvam.
Kshiprameva swalankritam.
Kshiprameva swalankritam.
Dhupitam sikta samrishtam.
Dhupitam sikta samrishtam.
Patakabhiralankritam.
Patakabhiralankritam.
So Rishyashringa is coming. Hey, he told his dutas, his messengers, with all these instructions. Hey, we are coming. So go and decorate the city. Alankarana karo, swalankritam kshipram. Kshiprachala we say, right? Kshiprachala is run. So fast. Hey, quickly go and decorate. Kriyatam, may you do. Nagaram sarvam, the entire city. Kshiprameva swalankritam. Very quickly, before we reach there, su alankritam, swalankritam. You should beautifully decorate the city. Dhupitam, with all fragrances. Dhup, har jagah rahna hai. Nice fragrances. Sikta samrishtam. Sikta with sand, the soil. Samrishtam, well wetted. So that, when you wet the soil, one, it gives good color to the soil. Two, it gives good fragrance also. If you see if you have good land, and if it rains there, it gives a nice fragrance. I never saw that in the US, but in India, anytime it rains on land, it smells so good. And that's why in Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says, Punyo gandha prithivyancha. He says, in Prithvi, I am that Punya Gandha. I am that excellent, that significant, that beautiful flavor, the beautiful fragrance. I am it, he says. Punyo Gandha Prithivyancha. Dhirendra ji bahut khush ho gaya. Bharat mein.
Yes, Bhogaji. That's what even I realized कि यहाँ पे कभी नहीं होता है. But in Bharat, वो याद आ गया एकदम से वो आपने बोला था.
Correct.
There is no exposed oil at all, right, Bhogaji here. So there is no way we get to smell that. There is no soil here to smell.
No, let's say in our backyard and all, right? We have soil, but we never get that smell.
दिलशा जी वो भारत का पुण्य भूमि नहीं है ना ये.
भारत का पुण्य भूमि अलग है जी. वो पुण्य गंधा. So Kriyata nagaram sarvam kshiprameva swalankritam dhupitam sikta samrishtam. So let the soil be first of all, flattened and then nicely watered, so that nice color and fragrance is also there. Pataka bhiralankritam. Pataka is the flags and all, right? So let all flags also be hoisted everywhere. Colored flags, every street and corner. So pataka bhiralankritam. Now you all have to tell me, it's already 8:35. What do we do? This slide, if we complete 30 slokas, another 24, another 6 slokas are there. If we can complete, then we can say that 11th sarga is completed. And
let's do it.
Let's complete. One sarga per day, if we can complete, by Sri Ramanavami, we'll reach the 18th sarga, so that we can gladly, grandly chant that. And all those who are in Atlanta, with the restrictions of whatever restrictions of COVID, along with that, let us meet and celebrate that day. If possible, let us meet and celebrate on the Sri Ramanavami day. Tatah prahrushta pauraste
ततः प्रहृष्टा पौरास्ते
श्रुत्वा राजानमागतम्
कृत्वा राजानमागतम्
तथा प्रचक्रुस्तत्सर्वम्
तथा प्रचक्रुस्तत्सर्वम्
राज्ञा यत्प्रेषितं तदा
राज्ञा यत्प्रेषितं तदा.
Bah, Lavaji has improved so much now. He is just able to read perfectly, correctly. Chakrastat Sarvam also you have pronounced very correctly. That's all. Sunna hai bas. I guarantee that after we, by finish probably Balakanda, all of you will become Sanskrit Panditas. You read the shloka, you can easily understand. At the most, even if you don't understand the shloka because it was not, let us say, it is not directly sentence. If I tell you the Anvaya Vakya, you will understand. You don't need any more translation from me. Because all it needs is the tuning to that language, tuning to those patterns, tuning to those and that style. That's all. Then you will automatically understand it. Oh, so tataha prahrushtaha pauraha te they. Those they happy citizens, Rajanam Agatam, and the king that is going to come, Tatha Prachakruhu, Chakara, Karoti, we said litlakara, past tense is Chakara for singular number, Chakruhu is plural. So all the Pauraha, te Prahushtaha Pauraha te Rajanam Agatam Shrutva, Tatha Prachakruhu, they did like that. What? As instructed by the Dutas. The messengers who have come, they announce, hey, Raja is coming along with Rishyashringa and all of them. Guys, decorate, alankaran karo, achitara. And Tatha Prachakruhu, they all did as per that. Rajna yat preshitam, that whatever message sent by the Raja. Rajna preshitam. So if you are learning those forms, we said, right, Ramaha, Ramena, Sita, Sitaya, Harihi, Harina, Guruhu, Guruna, Karta, Kartra. Now there is another form, Rajan iti padamiti. So Rajna, by Raja. Ramena, Rajna. Like that. Rajna yat preshitam tada. So whatever message then was sent by Raja Dasharatha through these Dutaha, Prahrushtaha Pauraha te Sarvaha te Sarve Tatha Prachakruhu. So they did. Tatasvalankritam Raja
Tatasvalankritam Raja
Nagaram Praviveshah
Shankadundubhinirghoshaihi
Puraskritya Dvijarshabham
Purakrutasya Dvijarshabham
Puraskritya
Dvijarshabham
Puraskritya Dvijarshabham.
Purakrutasya Dvijarshabham.
So, Tataha Svalankritam Nagaram Raja Praviveshaha. So the Raja entered that Su Alankritam Nagaram, well decorated city, Raja Pravivesha. And how Dvijarshabham Puraskritya, Puraha, Purasara, Pratisara, we say, right? Puraha Kritya, keeping that Dvijarshabha, Rishyashringa in the front. Puraha Kritya, Puraskritya, Shanka Dundhubi Nirghoshaihi. Shanka, Dundhubi, right? Shanka Dundhubi Nirghoshaihi. As they were, as he was entering with Rishyashringa in the front and Raja Dasharatha and all others behind, as they were entering, the city was already well decorated and they were warmly welcomed with Shankha Dundhubi Ghosha, Nirghosha. See, same terms we use right in our Shaka. Shankha, Nirghosha, Nirghosha, but Ghosha, whatever. Same words. And we saw last time Pratyudgamya. So Pratyud Prachalanam, right? प्रत्युद्गम्य ततः प्रमुदिताः सर्वे
ततः प्रमुदिताः सर्वे
दृष्ट्वा तं नागराद्विजम् प्रवेश्यमानं सत्कृत्य नरेन्द्रेणेन्द्रकर्मणा यथा दिवि सुरेन्द्रेण सहस्राक्षेण काश्यपम् ततः प्रमुदिताः सर्वे नागराः तं द्विजं दृष्ट्वा प्रवेश्यमानं तं द्विजं दृष्ट्वा सत्कृत्य नरेन्द्रेण इन्द्रकर्मणा यथा दिवि सुरेन्द्रेण सहस्राक्षेण काश्यपम्. So यथा दिवि is Divaloka, that's Swargaloka, Diviloka. Just as in that Divyaloka, Sahasrakshena Kashyapam Satkritam. Sahasrakshena, by Sahasraksha, by the one with 1,000 eyes. Meaning, we would think immediately, as told in our typical stories, oh, one who has 1,000 holes in his body. No, that is the story part of it. But the literal part is, or the spirit is, there is one who has 1,000 eyes, which means one who has information, intelligence from all corners of the world. That is Sahasraksha. A good king who has his spies and his intelligent agents working thoroughly, perfectly, who is able to give him all the information, all the intelligence, all predictions also, is a Sahasraksha. Typically, Indra is called Sahasraksha because such is their technology, such is their yoga shakti, such is their the administrative shakti also, Rajatantra shakti also. So, Sahasrakshena Kashyapaha. Kashyapaha is the Devarshi or Vibhandakaha. Kashyapasya Putraha Vibhandakaha. Just as he was honored by Sahasraksha Indra in the Divloka, so also Narendra here is Dashratha, Indra of Naras, president of the people or king of people, is Raja, is the king. So Narendra Indra Karmana, just as Indra did that facilitation to Kashyapa Rishi, so also Raja Dasharatha, Raja Dasharatha, Pravishyamanam Dvijam Drishtva, all the people, Pramuditaha Sarve Muditaha, Modam Praptavantaha Muditaha, all of them have also with Raja Dasharatha felicitated the Rishishanga. Antahpuram Praveshyainam.
Antahpuram Praveshyainam.
Pujam Kritva Vidhanatah.
Pujam Krutva Vidhanatah.
Kritakrityam Tadatmanam.
Kritakrityam Tadatmanam.
Mene Tasyopavahanat.
Mene Tasyopavahanat.
Antahpuram Pravishya, having entered the Antahpura, Enam Pujam Kritva Vidhanataha, as per the Vidhana, as per the rules, as per the policies, as per the prescriptions, as per the guidelines, Pujam Kritva, Puja karke, Kritakrityam Tada Atmanam Mene. So Rishishanga or Dasharatha also, Kritakrityaha Atmanam Mene. Mene means mana, apne aap ko mana. Kya mana? Kritakritya mana. Maya, I am now happy that whatever was instructed to me, I have done it. So Kritakrityam tada atmanam mene tasya upavahanat. By having received the Rishyasringa, by having received Rishyasringa and done all the honors to him, apne aap ko atmanam कृतकृत्यम मेने कृतकृत्यमाना ऐसा अंतःपुर स्त्रियः सर्वाः
अंतःपुरस्त्रियः सर्वाः
शान्तां दृष्ट्वा तथागतां सह भर्त्रा विशालाक्षीं प्रीत्यानन्दमुपागमन्. So Antahpura Striyaha means all these women of the Antahpura, which is primarily the three main wives and all other women in the Antahpura also. Sarvaha, all of them. Shantam tatha agatam shantam drishtva. Such entered Shanta ko dekh ke drishtva. That too saha bhartra, along with her wife, along with her husband. Vishalakshim, but the Shanta with broad-eyed lady. Vishalakshim drishtva. Pritya, with very pleased hearts. Anandam upagaman. All of them have obtained ananda, happiness, bliss. Pujyamana cha tabhissa.
Pujyamana cha tabhissa.
Rajnya chaiva visheshatah.
Rajnya chaiva visheshatah.
Uvasa tatra sukhita.
Uvasa tatra sukhita.
Kanchit kalam sahartvija.
Kanchit kalam sahitvarja.
Sahartvija.
Sahartvija.
So Pujyamana sa tabihi rajnya cha visheshatah tatra kanchit kalam sahartvija sukhita uvasa. Uvasa ushitva we read before. Saptashta divasan. Ushitva saptashta divasan we read before, right? There he, having stayed, Uvasa has stayed. She has stayed Kanchit Kalam for certain time. Saharitvija, along with the Ritvik, who is Rishyasringa. Rishyasringa is the main Ritvik there. So along with him, Ritvija. So one more Tritiya Vibhakti form. So we said Ramaha Ramena, Krishnaha Krishnena, Harihi Harina, Guruhu Guruna, Kartra Kartra. Then we said Rajan Rajnya. Now there is another form called Ritvik Ritvija. Vak Vacha. Manasa Vacha. Manas Manasa. Manasa Vachasa. Shiras Shirasa. Right? So these are all Tritiya Vibhakti. Through or with. It can, in English, sometimes it can be used for with, along with, or sometimes by, through, by it, through it, by my head, if we want to say, Shirasa. So likewise here, Ritvik, Ritvija, it becomes. So Saha Ritvija, along with the Ritvik, Kanchit Kalam, Sukhita, very happy. The one, the happy Shanta, happy full Shanta, Uvasa, Pujyamana, having well worshipped, Tabihi, by all those Antahpura Striyaha, Tabihi, Rajnya, along with by the king also, Visheshataha, specially worshipped by the king and all the women of the Antahpura, along with the Ritvik, Rishyasringa. For certain time, happily, she stayed there. इत्यार्षे
इत्यार्षे
रामायणे
श्रीमद्रामायणे
वाल्मीकीये
वाल्मीकीये
आदिकाव्ये
आदिकाव्ये
बालकाण्डे
बालकाण्डे
एकादशः सर्गः
एकादशः सर्गः। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।